I want to do a sample Excel file. So I'm going to click into any cell in the file. I want to add a few numbers and just demonstrate how to quickly do some different formulas. So let's just add some random numbers. Next, I want to just do a quick sum of that, so I can just quickly scroll down through that, click over here and click Auto Sum, and it gives me that number. And maybe I want to go ahead and let's put a line underneath that to show the break point. But also maybe I want to average what those numbers are, so I can go equals average. And that'll give me what my average is, but I only want to go to 2 digits, so we'll go there, click on that comma. Now if I want to increase that again, I can certainly go back up here and increase the decimal points or decrease the decimal points.